Hi peeps, this is a Maytag Bravos MCT dryer, gas dryer. Trying to get the control panel off, and there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3 in the back. This is kind of tough to get off, but I took a screwdriver, put it right under here, and this is what you can see. There's a clip right there, but more importantly, whenever you slide this, you can see right there. See the holes? And there are 2 clips on the bottom, one here and one in the back there. Same thing on the other side. So what we're gonna do is pull it up, and over on this side do the same thing. Oh my gosh. There we go. Alright. And now we have the access to the control panel. And again, there's 2 clips here and here, and then here, here, going here, and you just have to be careful sliding it up after you take out the screws of these 3 screws. Okay? Good luck.